Okay, so this is a 48 by 48 by 60 inch pallet cover. And this is a one that's already been made, and we're going to show you how to fold it once it's pre-made in this shape. So go ahead, guys. So what they're going to do is they're going to fold the edge down at least 12 inches, okay, all the way around. It can be more than 12 inches, but it's got to be at least 12 inches. And once they get it folded, this is unfortunately a two-person job, as you can see. Once they get it folded down to 12 inches, then they will fold this the normal way that we fold. All right? So now it's folded down on the edges, and then they're just going to fold it the normal way that we do 48 by 44 by 48. So it's just with this 12 inches folded down. And there you have it.